Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Universal Credit online account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your Universal Credit account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search box click over there and type in www.gov.uk like this and hit enter, and then you'll be redirected to this page, which is the home page of Government of United Kingdoms. And when you scroll down, you can see the popular on gov.uk, and it says the Universal Credit Account Sign In. Click over there, and after that, when you get to this page, scroll down a little bit and you can see the sign in button available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click over there, and after that, when you land on this page, click on start. And after that, when you land on this page, click on sign in over here. And after that, you can see there is the username and the password option available over here, where you'll be required to enter your username and your password, which you had registered on Universal Credit account at the time of creating your account. And with that, click on sign in, then you'll be logged into your Universal Credit account on your computer. And if you forgotten your username or your password, simply click on forgotten username or your forgotten password to go through a procedure to retrieve either your username or password, depending upon which one you lost. And then guys, this is how you log into your Universal Credit account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.